Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're noticing that your hairline is slowly starting to recede or your hair is starting to thin out, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the best science-backed methods to stop hair loss and even regrow your hair. Whether you're in the early stages of hair loss or already seeing major changes, this video will help you take control. Let's get into it. Before fixing the problem, you need to understand why it's happening, and the main culprit is DHT. This is the byproduct of testosterone and shrinks hair follicles over time. Other factors include stress, poor diet, and genetics, but the good news is there are things that you can do to slow it down or even reverse it. One of the most effective treatments for hair loss is Minoxidil, also known as Rogaine. It's a topical solution that increases blood flow to the hair follicles, stimulating regrowth. You'll need to apply it twice daily to thinning areas for a period of around 3 to 6 months to see the best results. Another powerful option is Finasteride, also known as Propecia. This prescription pill reduces DHT by up to 70%, which can stop hair loss and even regrow hair in some men. However, potential side effects may include reduced libido, so it's best to do your research before starting. Microneedling is another game changer. By using a derma roller with needles around 1 to 1.5 millimeters in length, you trigger micro injuries in your scalp, which triggers collagen production and increases the absorption of minoxidil. Studies have shown that using minoxidil in conjunction with microneedling is more effective than using minoxidil alone for hair regrowth. Another helpful tool in preventing hair loss is ketoconazole shampoo, found in products such as Nizoral. It has mild DHT blocking properties and fights scalp inflammation, making it a great addition to your routine if used 2 to 3 times a week. Your diet also plays a huge role in hair health. Consuming foods rich in saw palmetto, zinc, green tea, and biotin can support regrowth, while minimizing sugar and inflammatory foods can prevent further loss. Reducing stress is crucial since chronic stress raises cortisol, contributing to hair loss. Meditation, getting enough sleep, and regular exercise can help to keep your stress levels down. Regular scalp massages can improve blood circulation and stimulate hair regrowth. Another key factor to consider is to avoid overly tight hairstyles, which constantly pull on your hair follicles, weakening them over time. If you're already dealing with severe hair loss, there are more advanced options to consider. Hair transplants are a permanent but expensive solution. PRP therapy, which involves injecting platelet-rich plasma into the scalp, has shown promising results. And for those open to experimental treatments, there are topical DHT blockers such as RU58841, which are gaining popularity for their potential effectiveness. If you're serious about saving your hair, consistency is key. Choose a method that works for you and stick with it for at least 6 months before expecting results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more looks-maxing content, and comment down below, have any of these methods worked for you? Until next time.